Our cosmic home, the Milky Way Galaxy.
Milky Way size, 100,000 light-years. Norma Arm, a prominent spiral arm.
Have you ever wondered about the galaxy we call home? This vast, spinning city of stars, dust, and dark mystery? This is the story of our cosmic home. This is the story of the Milky Way.
The Milky Way formed 13.6 billion years ago from collapsing gas clouds. Early Milky Way began with first stars forming in dense gas clouds. Dark matter halos formed the scaffold for Milky Way's growth. Milky Way grew by merging with smaller galaxies over billions of years. Major merger with Gaia Enceladus shaped Milky Way 10 billion years ago. Mergers triggered intense star formation in early Milky Way. First stars in Milky Way were massive, metal-poor population 3. Supernovae from early stars enriched gas with heavy elements. Milky Way's bulge formed early with metal-rich stars. Spiral arms emerged from density waves in rotating disk. Mergers added 50 billion solar masses of stars to halo. Halo stars show signatures of ancient mergers. Milky Way is part of local group with Andromeda nearby. Andromeda is Milky Way's largest nearby galaxy neighbor. Triangulum is another nearby spiral in local group. Magellanic Clouds are satellite galaxies of Milky Way. Local group has over 50 dwarf galaxies around Milky Way. Stars form in dense molecular clouds within Milky Way. Stars form from collapsing molecular clouds in arms. Milky Way has 4 major spiral arms filled with stars and gas. Milky Way has 100 to 400 billion stars, mostly in disk.
The Milky Way's arms are density waves, triggering star birth. Perseus Arm is one of Milky Way's major spiral arms. Sagittarius Arm is dense with young stars and nebulae. Scutum Centaurus Arm is rich in molecular clouds. The Norma Arm, a major spiral structure, is rich in gas and active star-forming regions.
The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy with a diameter of 100,000 light-years.
Milky Way's mass is about 1 trillion times the Sun's mass.
Milky Way's disk is about 1,000 light-years thick on average. Milky Way's central bar is about 27,000 light-years long. Milky Way contains 100 to 400 billion stars. Central black hole Sagittarius A has 4 million solar masses. Black holes form from collapsed massive stars or mergers. Milky Way has average stellar density of 0.1 stars per cubic light-year. Ui Scuti is the largest star in Milky Way, 1,700 times Sun's radius.
Milky Way may have 300 million habitable planets.
Milky Way may host billions of habitable exoplanets. Milky Way has estimated 100 million stellar mass black holes. Black holes create gravitational waves when merging.
Milky Way's disk density peaks at 0.2 stars per cubic parsec. Milky Way rotates at 220 kilometers per second at Sun's position. Milky Way's rotation period is 250 million years at Sun's distance.
Our Sun resides in the Orion Spur.
Solar system orbits Milky Way center at 220 kilometers per second. Solar system completes one galactic orbit in 225 million years. Solar system is 27,000 light-years from galactic center. Galileo first resolved the galaxy into stars in 1610. Milky Way's future includes merger with Andromeda.
Milky Way and Andromeda will merge in 4 billion years. Milky Way has inspired cultures for millennia.
Milky Way could have advanced civilizations per Drake equation.
SETI searches for intelligent life in Milky Way. Future may reveal intelligent inhabitants in Milky Way.